how to calculate load calculation for a 2-horsepower electric motor in a single-phase and 3-phase systems. In this video, I will show you a simple load calculation to make it simple and easy to understand sample of calculation. As I had shown in the illustration, we are calculating a 2-horsepower in a single-phase systems, thus 2 times 746 watts equals 1,492 watts. 1,492 watts divided 230 volts equals 6.48 amperes. 1,492 watts divided by 230 volts equals 6.48 amperes. 6.48 amperes times 1.25% equals 8.1 amperes. For safety consideration, we will use a 2-pole 20 amperes circuit breaker. And for the 3-phase motor calculation, 2 times 746 watts equals 1,492 watts. 1,492 watts divided by 230 volts equals 6.48 amperes. 1,492 watts divided by 230 volts equals 6.48 amperes. 6.48 amperes divided by 1.732 times 1.25% equals 4.67 amperes. Our circuit breaker we will use is 3-pole 20 amperes circuit breaker.